Hey guys, for this video, I will show you how to add Google Tag in your GoDaddy website. First, search for Google Tag Manager, then go to their site. Now sign into your account. After that, under Accounts, click on Create Account. Now you can add in an account name, then choose on Web for the target platform. Here you need your GoDaddy website domain. So on another window, search for GoDaddy websites. Then click on Website Builder and just sign in to your account. Once signed in, click on Start for free. Here you'll see the list of your website, so choose the one where you want to add the Google tag into. Once in, just copy the domain of it. Then go back to Google Tag Manager and paste it. Then click on Create. Now, just agree to their terms and click on Yes on the top right. Here, you need to add this tag to your website, so go ahead and copy the first one. Go back to GoDaddy website and click on Edit Websites. Once inside the editor, click on the plus sign button to add a section. Now, search for Custom HTML and add it to that section. Once added, just paste in your Google tag on the custom code. And now your Google tag is in your GoDaddy website. So go ahead and add another section, search for Custom HTML, then add it again. After that, go back to Google Tag and copy the second tag. Now just paste it in the new section custom code and click on Done. Once both tags are added, go back to Google Tag Manager, and in here we need to test your website. So go ahead and click on Settings on your GoDaddy website and publish it. Now, view your site and copy its domain. Then paste it in the Google Tag Manager and click on Test. And as you can see, it recognized that the tag is in your website. And that's it. That's how you add a Google tag in your GoDaddy website. If this video helped you, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more tutorials.